I would, when I compose my solemn verse, sleep near the heaven as do astrologers, near the high bells, and with a dreaming mind, hear their calm hymns blown to me on the wind. Out of my tower, with chin upon my hands, I'll watch the singing, babbling human bands, and see clock towers like spars against the sky, and heavens that bring thoughts of eternity. And softly, through the mist, we'll watch the birth of stars in heaven and lamplight on the earth. The threads of smoke that rise above the town, the moon that pours her pale enchantment down. Seasons will pass till autumn fades the rose, and when comes winter with his weary snows, I'll shut the doors and window casements tight, and build my fairy palace in the night. Then I will dream of blue horizons deep, of gardens where the marble fountains weep, of kisses, and of ever-singing birds, a sinless idyll built of innocent words. And trouble, knocking at my window pane, and at my closet door, shall knock in vain. I will not heed him with his stealthy tread, nor from my reverie uplift my head. For I will plunge deep in the pleasure still, of summoning the springtime with my will, drawing the sun out of my heart, and there, with burning thoughts making a summer air.